got kids in the house, baby mama fiend out. CPS tryna see what I'm about. Slanging that geek, steady chiefin' on the loud plugs. Bitches straight freaks, so we beefin' right now. And I apologize for this life that I live. Fuck the homies, bitch, lifestyle on my dick. They always leave me lonely like, boy, you ain't shit. Caught my baby mama on the dope, tryna trick. Adios, see you later, get ghost real quick. Car fucked up on my toes with a brick. Nose stay froze on my shoulder with the chip. Walking on ice and I pray I don't slip. When God passed out, since I think I got skipped. Chasing presidents, yeah, I need a little bit. Homie got killed, throwing bullets, Carson Wentz, yeah, they stole my stash. Grand larcenies, police chased my ass. I hopped that fence, I jumped in that money with them rims in the 10. Now my problems getting bad, my needle getting bent. My Tim's getting dirty, bitch, my money getting spent. Now I'm down and out flat, bro, nowhere to go. Trap house talking to me, what you wanna know? Cause these tats on my face make it hard to get a job. Got a case pinning, so you know I'm out to rob. 2 stripes on my waist, call them Jay and Silent Bob. You made the same mistakes, homeboy, you better stop. Cause them Chevy trucks on 22s ain't did none in my life but sing the blues. Me and my boys slinging that geek, posted on the block in 7 days a week, yeah. It's the realest shit I wrote. I never realized on a real fucking note. Facing 15 to life. Can you honestly telling me what it feel like? This LB hell on me every fucking night. This felony telling me I ain't living right. Track marks on my heart, yeah, we fighting in the dark. Pentagrams and them stamps, I'm shooting for the stars. Devil on my back, bitch, gripping on these bars, bitch, stripping, let me slip in my dick real hard. This song goes out to my homies on the yard. All my zombies fucked up with them needles in their arms. My peoples in them regals, and all my single moms. All my misfit kids with no date to the proms. Don't worry, young homie, you'll be good, stay strong. It's another long night, a blessing in disguise. Another day gone, bitch, another sunrise. I try to find the truth in this lifetime of lies. Staring at the proof through the window of my eyes. All this endo, I'm burning up, turning in the skies. Bitch turning tricks, yeah, she running through them guys. Got that 45 baby girl underneath the seat. Her first 3 initials is ACP. Got the Glock 17, the Glock 23. That's baby girl's cousins and they ride with me. Call them bitches Charlie's Angels cause they hide when they speak. Leave your butt naked licking underneath the sheet. Cause it's Chevy sitting up, we slanging that geek. Ride by the church just to hear them preach. Cause the Chevy trucks on 20 inches harder.